Hello, boys and girls. Welcome back with the third puzzle. The third puzzle in this evening. In today's newspaper of Thursday, March the 30th, 2023, and I've already solved two puzzles in this additional: the 3-star Sudoku and the 4-star Sudoku. Two puzzles remain. The tectonic with 4 stars. In Dutch they call it cyberblock. In Japanese, suguru. And this one you are interested. Yes, it's a binary puzzle number 6201. Yeah. 6201. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has a lot. Just like yesterday, I believe yesterday we have 26. This one has 25 printed digits. Should be an easy one. Maybe without comparing, but who knows? Alright. And what kind of binary puzzle is this one? We have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 by 8 binary puzzle. That means in a row or in a column there are always 4 O's and 4 1s. Alright, so let's get started. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 O's we have here, so the rest are 1s. Between 2 O's comes in 1. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. No. Alright. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double one, here no, there no. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. Between 2 1s comes in O. Double O, here 1, there 1. 1, 2, 3, 4 1s. So the rest are O's. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. 4 1s we have here, so the rest are O's. 1, 2, 3, 4 O's, so the rest are 1s. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Double O, here 1, there 1. Double one, here no, there no. Finished in 3 minutes. Wow, told you, easy peasy. This one, without comparing. Well, publisher, too easy to solve this. Request, can you make this difficult? The binary puzzle, yeah. Maybe more printed digits. Less printed digits, yeah. Not more, less. Maybe 10 less. 25. Well, it's too much. Maybe the publisher should publish the whole puzzle with all printed digits. Well, it's too easy. And well, if you are a beginner, this one is a good one to start. Alright, thank you for watching, and I will see you in a minute with the last puzzle for today. It's a tectonic with 4 stars. So see you then. Bye bye for now.